Yo, I'm decked out. Don't mind the fit, but yes. What's up, lovelies? This is Diamond Gray, and today I'm going to be unboxing the In Your Fantasy VIP box. Yay! It collected a little bit of dust, so don't mind it, but look, another cute bag. No, I'm kidding. But it's so cute. I love it so much. And I peeked a little bit, but I can't remember what was in it, really, so we're gonna be opening it today. Yes. When we received it, I was just so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I just cannot wait to open it with you guys. So we're gonna be opening it today. Hey. Okay, this is how the box looks. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out already. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. There it is. So cute, right? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at this. This is so cute. It has like the tiny versions of them too on it. Oh my gosh, I love it. But like, look at them. That's so cute. This is In Your Fantasy. I'll probably put a cute little ID picture of me on it. I love that. This is like really your fantasy, isn't it? It's so cute. I really hope it saved everything. But I can't, I'm sorry that it's not gonna be the same quality, but we're gonna do our best. It just had a memory card error. I need to get more memory cards. That's probably gonna be what this holds. More memory card space. Anyways, this is like very soft, very nice. I love it. It's not a real feather eater, so don't worry too much, you guys. It feels very nice though. I love it. It's so cute. And now I can like write all my thoughts. And you guys know I am a writer, so I do write a lot. This is cute. I'm gonna keep this. I like keeping everything anyways. But yeah. Okay, and then the next thing is this. It's either going to be a planner or a journal. I don't think there's anything else in the box. So there's that. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. If there is something, that would be a lot of lore, wouldn't it? Look how cool this is. I love that. Now let's show you. It's so cute. And this is our journal. This is our journal. It has a locket on it. I wonder if it locks. And it has them in the back. So it's like very much the same kind of thing, just in miniature form. And I love miniatures. I have a lot of dolls with miniatures, and I love it. Okay, it's basically flips. I like it. That's nice. And then here. Basically almost the same thing, just no red right there. Just makes it even more like secretive. Okay, so now let's try to get this out. Okay, ready? Let's try to get this out. How do you open it? Yeah, okay, this is gonna keep it locked. Do I press? Oh, okay. So do I press this to unlock it, or do I pull? Okay, you just pull it. And then it takes it out. Let's just do it one more time. Close up. Okay, ready? You just pull here and flip. And then you can take it out. And I guess I'll just take it out so I can open this. Ooh, already it's, oh, it's a planner. It's a planner. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, let's see if there's anything on the back. Okay, no. So there's nothing on the back. I could take this out too if I would like to. I wonder what it looks like. I probably shouldn't do that, huh? Yeah, don't do that. It's just... I think that I don't have much time to film. So anyways, yes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. I sure did. I'm definitely going to write a lot in here and I'll probably share with you guys. But yes, well, most of it's going to be a secret. But this was so special, and I thank everyone that was a part of the creative process of this nice gift. And also, I thank ATEEZ for like a special concert experience. It was really great, and I enjoyed every bit of it, honestly. And I have so much to share with you guys, but like it's gonna be a while until I upload that because it's a lot of files. It's a lot of files because it was 2 days, and I still didn't finish the one from last year. Productive, but yes, I enjoy every single moment, and I hope that after a break, after a nice vacation, and after they're like well rested and ready to come back, that we can have another tour in LA. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I thank everybody a part of the process. So yes, I love you, lovely. Stay lovely. Goodbye. Bye. Whoever was a part of the marketing, they knew exactly what ATEEZ was thinking. I mean, the colors, the types of gifts. I mean, come on. Like, who's not going to want to write everything down? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God.